कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्ते। तप्त कांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदाई तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Sadhvana Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Sadhvana Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Sadhvana Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all personal Vaishnavis, and present is all of my respectful guests. To continue, we also discuss about Rayamanda Sangvad. In previous class, we also discussed the Prin Vilas Vivarta and Naso Raman Naham Ramani Duho Pesalo Ekalo Jani. And we also discuss these things. এত কহি রায় আপন কৃত গীত গাওয়াইল প্রেমের প্রভু সহস্তার মুগচ্ছা দিল কহিল রাগ নয়ন ভঙ্গ ভেল অনুদিন বাড়ল অবধি না গেল না সুরমন না হম রমণী ধুমন ধুমন ভব মনোভব কেশল জানি এ সব প্রেম কাহিনী কামু ঠামে কহিবি কিছু রহ জানি না খুঁজলু দুতি না খুঁজলু আন দুহে করি মিলনে মধ্য পাঁচবান আর সব বিরাগ তু ভেলি দুতি সুপুরুষ প্রেম কি ওই ছন রীতি। So in this verse, just we also again remind to you, na so raman na hum ramani duho मनोभव पेश जानी. In this place, in this word, we also discuss about Prem Vilas Dvarta. Right? You have lover and beloved, অর্থাৎ enjoyer, enjoy. They are one mind completely and mixed in together and manifesting one. That is called two bodies, one mind. And एक देह ये दो देह एक मन, two bodies and one mind. How possible two bodies and one mind? So for this regard, give an example. Like one stem of the lotus and two lotus manifested. One is called Nil Nil Nilkamal, another is called Sarnakamal. Nilkamal means that is called blue lotus, another is called golden lotus. In the same way, Prem Vilas, then that is called when Prem Vilas means that is called Keli. In their Keli, then Sasuk Vasana Gandha Lis Hin. Then that is called the Prem. They have no any smell of own sense gratifications. That is called Sasuk Vasana Gandha Lis Hin. Only their aim and object how to give pleasure to each others. And केवलमात्र सुख वासना वासना यही प्रेम. In this material world, not possible. In this material world, there is called lust, but enjoying sense gratifications as like and Pasuvat Singar. Pasuvat Singar means as like animals. They are enjoying the only sense gratifications, and that is called rejectable. Varang Jugipsitam. Jugipsitam means that completely rejectable and nindaniya. But in transcendental world, Prem Vilas, Prem is that is called transcendental lust. Premaivo Goparamanam Kamaivo Mitavidhyate. Gopis Prem love, that is called transcendental lust. Prem Vilas Vivarta, that means when Prem Vivarta. Vivarta means when the Prem completely to deep and also what is called condensed form, that time is called the Prem Vilas Vivarta. And that is very secret also. That is called Rahasyamoy. And Vivarta here is Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad. And he used this word Vivarta means that there are meaning of many Vivarta. Vivarta means also Viparit, opposite. According to Ujjal Irmani Uddipan Vibhag Prakaran, 22nd slok, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad, also using this word Bakare Sumukhi Navavivartana Sthane Vivarta Sabda Arthat Paripak. Paripak. And according to Sanskrit, Bakare Sumukhi Navavivarta Sthan. Vivarta Sabda Artha. This is actual in Sanskrit. Some rules are there. That is called Paripak. Paripak means condense. Vivarta Udaharan Sabinda Pitaji. Or Vivarta, another also means that is called illusion or Bhranti. And one day, a previous class, I also explained. Brahm means which is not true. You are thinking that is true. As like you are walking night time and you saw one rope and Rassi. Or when you put the light, then that was not rope, that is called snake. So in the same way, our Shastra explains Rajute Sarpabhram or Sarpate Rajubhram. So we were telling the Brahma Bhanti. Also here explained in this way. Our Shastra also explains Sukrite Rajat Brahm. Rajat means silver. Sukti means rich God. No, those as like snail, you know, snail समझते हो? snail जो चलता है. So now coming in this way, vivarta, in this word vivarta, that there are three words we are getting. That is called viparit, opposite, paripak, eh, condense, paripakata. और थर्ड दैट इज कॉल्ड भ्रम और भ्रांति. कितने मीनिंग मिला? थ्री. भ्रम, अरे भ्रम भ्रांति एक ही शब्द. भ्रम भ्रांति एक ही शब्द है. दैट इज वन वर्ड. विपरीत, ऑपोजिट, परिपाक, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडेंस. सो प्रेम विलास विवर्त शब्द प्रसंग. परिपाक यानी दैट व्हेन द this love, prem, and completely mature, and that time they are external, and we are looking they are completely opposite way. And so now this paripaki arthas, there are the two things are explained. One is called anga and one is called angi. Anga means limbs. Angi means full of body. That is called angi. Just give an example: tree and branches of the tree. The tree, a whole tree, that is called angi. And anga, limbs of the trees, and as like leaves, branches, they are called anga. In the same way, here prem, vilas vivartangi. The prem that is called the anga. The prem that is called angi. And all their activities that is called anga. मुख्य अर्थ देखिए, प्रेम विलास विवर्त शब्द अर्थ प्रेम विलास परिपक्वता. Another also is vivarta is another meaning also explained in this way. That is called chamatkarita. Chamatkarita means excitement, which is never realized before. And chamatkar, charam utkarsha avastha paripakvata. Charam utkarsha, there are two things in there. One is called also illusion, or another is coming also and before it, that is called opposite. যে বস্তুকে চক্ষু আদি ইন্দ্রিয় দ্বারা লক্ষ্য করা যায় না, বাহিরের লক্ষণ দ্বারাকে চেনা যায়, প্রেম বিলাসের উৎকর্ষ আদি চক্ষু আদি ইন্দ্রিয় দ্বারা গ্রাহ্য নয়. Here again also explain the prem vilas you cannot see with your material senses and with your eyes and any other senses. Only you can realize these things. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain that is called viparit. Prema viparit. Prema vaiparta. That is called premas viparit. And sometimes they also to completely illusion to each other's bhranti. So for this regard, in this verse also explained, na so Raman na ham Ramani. Duha pe sab ek lo jani. Jeva prema vart in Kabya Prakash. Also in this grantha also explain this विलास मात्रिक तन्मयात काम क्रीड़ा चरम अवस्था. धन्नासी कथयसी श्लोके according to Kabya Prakash Grantha. Also there also this word is coming that when they are love and beloved completely to enjoy to each others, that time they completely forget to each others. and they cannot forget, they completely forget to each others. eh, and that time they also never to inquire who is Nayak or who is Naika. That means I am hero, I am heroine, I am enjoyer or I am enjoyee. So in this way, there are many shastras, Prema Shastra, and explain this verse. And anyhow, but here also explain Prema Vilas Vivarta. That is called topmost eagerness to meeting each others. That means hero and heroine, they have an eagerness, utkantha, how to meet to each others. Even transcendental world study, that class I also Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad explain. That is called another meaning also, the that is called Bhranti, illusion. That means there is Atma Vismriti. That is called stage of Mahabhav. Atma Vismriti. They completely forget their bodily conception. Na so Raman, Naham Ramani. That means Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad explain they completely forget the bodily and forgetfulness. That is called Atma Vismriti. As like Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained, Gopi is told to Krishna, eh, देह स्मृति नहीं जात संसार को कहाँ तक, because Gopi they have no bodily conception. So how possible they bondage with their family? Their body mind completely were absorbed with Krishna. That is called Atma Vismriti. So now coming even again in this way, the Vivarta, that means Ghurnaman, that is called whirlpool. eh, This is coming also in that is called Premas Charam Utkarshata, and highest condensed form of love. And that time they are Bhranti and illusion. Or when this Bhranti, that is called they are Viparit, I am enjoyer or I am enjoying. They completely forget. They are also explain this. External, they are also meeting together and in their love and affection. But this Prem Vilas Vivarta, and the, the, in this Prem Vilas Vivarta, they are enjoying each others. And so नायक नायिका इच्छाकृत विपरीत चमत्कारित परिचय দিবে না যদি বিলাস মাত্রই তন্ময়তার ফলে ভ্রম হয় বা মানে নায়ক নায়িকার আত্মবিস্মৃতি ঘটে অজ্ঞাত স্ফূর্তি হয় তাহলে সেই বৈবর্ত প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্তি পরিচয় হইবে। Here also explain Prem Vilas Vivarta. And even in Gopal Champu Grantha also explain how hero and heroine, Nayak and Nayika, that means Krishna and Srimati Radhika, when they are meeting together and they are prem increasing to each others. That is called Vilas Sukher Vardhana Vasana. As like Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj explained also this. বাড়িতে ঠাঁই নাহি তবে বাড়ে ক্ষণে ক্ষণে, there are no place their prem to increase, but still it is increasing. So how possible this thing? Just give an example. One full of glass of water, one glass, you completely fill up the water. They are full of brim. There are no any place and one drop will be in there. But if you put the water, this water will not, what is called, इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Spilled, spilled, इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Spill out, बाहर नहीं आ रहे. But flame, but water is there also, you are going inside. That is in this material impossible. Just to try to understand, here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explain, बारी बार ठाई नहीं, कहाँ बारे प्रतीक क्षणे क्षणे. Srimati Radhika's prem increasing and increasing and coming in the stage of ceiling, but that means there is no place to increase. But still prem is also increasing. So this is called aprakita tattva and inconceivable. It is achinta tattva. So here also same thing here. Acharyas explain in this way. Duha manobhava pesal ekolajani. They're both love increasing and increasing, and they also mix together, and at that time their mind is one, and they cannot to discriminate to each others. अर्थात प्रेम विलास तन्मयता जिनको भेद ज्ञान राहित्य. When this prem vilas increasing and completely absorbed to each others, for this regard, that time they cannot discriminate. I am enjoyer or I am enjoyee. Chaitanya Charit Mahakabya Sripad Karnapur or Grantha Karnapur, Kavi Karnapur has written Tata sa Geetang Sarasali Pitang Vidabdhar or Nagaro Pasha. Premno Oti Kasta Pratipadanado Parikong Prati Padavati. अर्थात राय रामानंद when he discussed this Naso Raman Naham Ramani, that time Sri Radha and Krishna prema, that is called that that prem is called the ekatva. Ekatva means that the oneness to each other. That is called prema paripakkata. When the prem completely matured. So here also in this grantha there are so many evidence has given. Gopal Champu grantha and Sarvo Manoratha Puranam. That means their love and affection, अर्थात Radha Krishna's love and affection, day by day increasing, वृद्धि होने लगे. They are never stop and never also going down. They are also ব্রজসুন্দরী গণে দিনের পর দিন তাহাদের প্রাণবল্লভ কৃষ্ণের সহিত বিলাসের নিরত আছেন, তাহার বিরতি নাই. বিলাস বাসনা সেরু প্রশান্ত হইতেছে না, বরং দিনে দিনে তাহা উত্তরোত্তর বৃদ্ধি হইতেছে এবং তৃষ্ণা শান্তিহীন কৃষ্ণৈক্য তাৎপর্যময় বিলাসী যেন তাদের জীবনে ব্রত হইয়া দাঁড়াইয়া আছেন. Here also Jiv Goswami Pad, Gopal Champu Grantha and Sarvo Manoratha Puram. In this look, Jiv Goswami Pad also explain day by day gopis their desire to meet with Krishna increasing and increasing. उनकी प्रेम बढ़ रहे हैं. तो बारी बार ठाई नहीं, बड़े दिने दिने. So this is called transcendental, aprakita. And their vasanar uddam, seva vasanar uddamata, कर्म वर्धनशील उत्कंठा राधा संग सर्विका अधिक ताई प्रेमे सर्वातिशय विकास. Because here Srimati Radhika's this love for lust, that is called how to give exclusively pleasure to Krishna. Krishna seva vasana. That we will say in that the Madanakha Mahabhav, there is Sarva Bhavo Udgamo Ullasmai Chesta. Sarva Bhavo Udgamo Ullasmai Chesta. General people cannot understand this. What is the meaning of Sarva Bhavo Udgamo Ullasmai? Sarva, all kinds of ingredients of prem at a time manifested together. And that is called also stage by stage, also going first is called Dhumait, Jolita, Dipta, Uddipta, and Suddipta Mahabhav. So this frame is going stage by stage. How the Suddipta Mahabhav is going day by day. And this Suddipta Mahabhav only manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika, not to Lalita Vishakha. That means Madanakha Mahabhav manifested only in the heart, it manifested only in the heart of Srimati. Eagerness.
One moment, please. Gurudev lost internet connection.
Actually, why we are discussing this? The Sarva Bhavo Udgamo Ullasmai. This bhav only in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Because this types of prem only in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Or Krishna, he performs this lila only Golok Vrindavan with Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti, what is called Srila Sukdev Goswami Pad also explained what this look? Bhaktanam Anugraha Bhaktanam Manusam Dehamasita Bhajate Tadisha Kira Jasutva Tatpuru Bhavit. Because these types of lila you cannot get, but you never heard from Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Mathura, and Dwarka. Only in Golok Vrindavan. Even in Golok Vrindavan, not in the heart of Subal, Siddham, or Nanda, Jashoda. Even not all the gopis, and only the gopis, those who are the Sapatsha Gopi Srimati Radhika. Among the Sapatsha Gopi Srimati Radhika, this Sarva Udgam Ullasmai Bhav, that is called in Srimati Radhika. And Padma Puran also discussed these things. Madhbhaktanang Vinodartha Karomi Vividha Kriya. Padma Puran also explained, I will perform the topmost lila for the exclusively pleasure of my devotee. ये राम पक्षे कृष्ण वासना, कृष्ण पक्षे राधा प्रीत्यर्थ, यही शिव वासना उभय पूर्ण उद्दाम भाव বা চরম উৎপান্তে পরিণত হয়। That means exclusively then to please to Sri Krishna, in the same exclusively please to Srimati Radhika. Because prem is coming in two ways, and that is called priti vidanartha, seva grahan vasana, then seva vasana. Then both also to give exclusive pleasure to Krishna. तो प्रेम विलास पूर्णतम महियान হইতে পারে এইরূপ চন্দ্রকণ্ঠে প্রেরণায় নাই নায়িকা যখন প্রেম বিলাসে প্রহিত হইয়া যান, অন্য অন্য রহসি প্রয়াসী মিলিতং আশ্রিতাং চুম্বতি ক্রীড়সি, ক্রীড়তু উল্লসি গজতি নিষিদ্ধ অদ্ভুত স্তন অয়ম। Here also in Prem Vilas Grantha very clearly explains when Nayak and Naika, and hero and heroine, when there are these types of tendencies are coming, how to give exclusively pleasure with please to each others. That time Yoga Maya, she arranged, and for this regard they also meeting together and giving pleasure to each others. And here also তাহারা পরস্পর পরস্পরকে লইয়া গোপন স্থানে যান, মিলিত হন, পরস্পর পরস্পরকে আলিঙ্গন করেন, চুম্বন করেন, উল্লসিত করেন, পরস্পরের নিকট রুটি কথা বলেন, আমার বেশ রচনা করিয়া করো, পরস্পরকে এইরূপ আদেশ করেন, পরস্পর পরস্পরই বেশ রচনাও করেন, এইরূপ তারা পুনঃ পুনঃ বহুবিধ কেলিবিলাস নিরত থাকেন। Here in this verse, in this Bengali word, also explain when they are coming in this extreme stage of love, then that time they also each others then giving order to each others, एक दूसरे की आदेश देते हैं। क्या आदेश देते हैं? You also then to decorate my body, and I also you decorate your body. In this way, the such is given, that's called Sadhin Bhartika Naika. And when Srimati Radhika, she manifested her this Sadhin Bhartika Naika, that time Krishna, when he manifests, he formed his, that is called which Naik? The Lalit Naik. That means that faith, here you see Advaitavadi, they are thinking, they are making together and one is coming. But here, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and also explain in this way. And Duhu Manobhava Pesala Ekala Jani. Just give an example, if you take the two pieces of laksha kya kara? Wax, and then you put some heat, and then again you also that two piece of wax join, they will be joined and you cannot separate. And in the same way that this example has given in our Shastra Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, is called Prema Sampurna. And Prema Sampurna Grantha, just 1 month I continue gave class about Prema Sampurna, and today just I also finished Prema Sampurna Grantha. Here Srimati Radhika, she herself also explained. And so saying is सर्वातिशयी प्रेम उत्कंठार फले राधा कृष्ण से संयोग असंयोग असंयोग और संयोग गृह के वन के गृह निद्रा के जागृति इत्यादि मन क्रिया थकेन. Here also explain when Radha and Krishna, they are very eagerness, exclusively eagerness to meet to each others, and that time then they are thinking we are meeting or we are not meeting. And when they are meeting together, that time we are feeling separation, or when they are feeling separation, when the separation, and that time they are thinking we are meeting. अर्थात मिलन में विरह, विरह में मिलन. And Viraha Milan is going on this way. And this is only possible. It is only possible for in transcendental world, Guru Vrindavan. One ke griha, that means this house is as like forest, or this forest is as like house. And Nidra ke Jagaran, when they were sleeping, they were there. And or when Sit ke Ushna, and when they actually they are cold, they are very cold. And so this is called Vaiparitya. And Kanta Kanta Svabhavev Vaiparitya Thake. And they are also giving example in Vilasgandha. Very nice explanation. Kantasya Acharan Kantaya Kantaya Kante Tad Vaiparittam Gya Gayatam Ramane Ramanittam Ramaniyate Evam Ramaniya they Sancharita. That means when they are exclusively meeting together, that time automatically they are bhav, mood, and to what is called Sancharit ho jate, माने going to transform to each other. Then Sabha Vaiparitya. So for this regard, they are called Vilas Viparit. Vilas Viparit. And that time they also enjoying Anurvichina Anandya. Anurvichina means with things you cannot to express with your any material words. And that is called Anirvachana. And Vilas Sukha Tanmay, that is called Bahir Vikas Matra. तो एक अनर्वचनीय एवं दुर्देवनीय उत्कंठ होते अद्भुत विलास सुख के तात्पर्य वही विकास मात्र संयोग और असंयोग, असंयोग और संयोग जीवन परम उत्कंठा बाह्य लक्षण तद्रु विलास विपरीत परम प्रेम उन्मत्त वसत विलास सुख तन्मयता यह बाह्य लक्षण. There are two symptoms. One is external energy called internal. External symptoms, and that how they are meeting together, and are internal, how they are to enjoying to each others and completely forget to each others, and Nayak or Nayika enjoy and enjoy. And so this Radha Premos Vaishishta, and the speciality of Radha Krishna Prem. Because Krishna is called Akhila Rasamrita Murti. Akhila Rasamrita Murti Singha Rasaraj Murtidhar Sakshad Manmata Manmata Apragita Navinatya Madanatya Atma Parjancha Chitta Harsakarta Uyas. And this is called the Mahabhav Sarup or Srimati Radhika's Vaishishta. Here Krishna's Vaishishta is the speciality of Krishna. Krishna is called Akhila Rasamrita Murti. Akhila Rasamurti Murti Pasimata Vijuddha Tarakapali Kalita Sama Lulito Radha Priyano Vidhur Jayati. And Krishna also is called Singar Rasaraj. Vrindavane Aprakita Navin Modan Kam Gati Kam Vijay Jahar Upasan. And Krishna also is called Sakshad Manmatha Manmatatta. And Tasang will be so Smayana Mukhambuja. In this look also very clearly through Sakshat Manmato Manmato. And Krishna is also called Aprajita Naveen Madan. Is called transcendental, ever fresh, and Cupid. Atma Parjanta Vishma Chitta Sarvahita Pragadita. And completely forget, then exclusively forget his own and what is it called? Atma. Then in the same way, Srimati Radhika's is called Mahabhav Sarupatta. Mahabhav Sarupini Radha Thakurani. Ananda Chinmaya Rasatta. All these qualities, Vaishishta of Srimati Radhika's. Here we also compared the Srimati Radhika's and Krishna's speciality, Vaichitra, Vaishishta. Srimati Radhika, Sikha Ananda Chinmaya Rasatta. Ananda Chinmaya Rasatta Divavi, Starvija Nija Rupa, Deha, Ananda Chinmaya Rasatta Divavi, Starvija Nija Rupa, Taya Kalavi. In this verse, explain, though Srimati Radhika can fulfill all the desires of Krishna, but without many consort, Krishna will not happy. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she also mentions many forms of her prem, and she mentions thousands and gopis. And so saying, and all they are experts, different kinds, art of prem kaladya paripurna. Because all they are non-different from Srimati Radhika and Lolita Visakha. Actually, they are non-different from Srimati Radhika. So Lolita the Sakhi gone Kai Vaharup. Chaitanya Charitamrita explained, who is this gopis, Lolita Visakha? They are called Kai Vaharup. Manifestation from Srimati Radhika. Dihanradi Prem Vivatta Suddha Preme Ratnakarta. Srimati Radhika's prem is pure. Ratnakarta. Saundarya, Madhurya, Subhagadi. And so all kinds of beauty and sweetness and fortuneness, that is called Subhagya. Everything is manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, Shastra also explained, Krishna is called Akhanda Rasavallabha, Nandanandan. As Srimati Radhika, she is called Akhanda Rasavallabha, Visabhanu Nandini. Krishna is completely undivided, Akhanda, Rasavallabha. As Srimati Radhika, she is called also undivided Rasavallabha. Just using this one masculine gender and feminine gender. So Rasavallabha, Akhanda Rasavallabha, Sri Nandanandan Krishna, and Akhanda Rasavallabha, Vishabhanu Nandini, Prem Vilas. That means here Krishna manifested the Dhir Lalit Bhav. Or Srimati Radhika, she manifested her, that is called which bhav? That is called the then Sarva sister, that is called when the Srimati Radhika's mood is coming, and that is called just to tell you. When she also gives her order, her beloved, you have to do this. Then, so Dhir Lalita Nayak, Srimati Radhika, she is called which Naika? Then are you always saying, always you forget. When Krishna manifested Dhir Lalita Nayak and Srimati Radhika, she manifested Sadhin Bhartika Naika. Very difficult, thousand times listen, maybe one day you understand. One day you will remember what to do. And need also things. Not one time listen, you may understand. But maybe thousand times. give an example. If your cloth is very dirty cloth, you cannot one day to completely clean or wash with the powder. Maybe 100 times, 1,000 times. Again and again you wash, then that cloth will be neat and clean. But this is regard Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, Cheto Darpana Marjanam, Bhava Maha Dabag Nirvapanam, Sriya Kaiva Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyabudhi Jivanam, Anandamidhi Vardhanam, Patipadam, Purnamita Sadhanam, Sarva Atma Snapanam, Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. And your white, एक कृष्ण नाम, if you chant only one Krishna नाम, then your heart will be neat and clean. एक कृष्ण नामे एत जत पाप हरे, पापी साध्य नहीं तत पाप करे. If you chant one holy names, then all your sinful will be destroyed. Even you cannot then commit sinful activities. But still, Shastra also saying again and again. So why again and again chanting holy names? Because conditional soul, then conditional soul, Baddha Jiva's heart completely full of anarthas. So millions births, but millions times when you listen, chanting holy names, and then slowly all kind of anarthas removed from your heart. When the anarthas removed, then your heart, maybe one day you listen and one day you understand this philosophy. Then, so what will do? Again and listen. So by the causeless mercy of Krishna, then slowly all your anarthas is removed. For this regard, I know you cannot understand, but still our Acharya also explained. Listen, Sriyatam Nittam Gyatam. Sriyatam. Again, Sura mane Sravan karu. Gyatam Nittam. Again, Gan karu. So why saying these things? Actually, for this regard, Shastra saying this way. When again and again you listen, again and again, then speaking, then one day you understand these things. Then you not only one day just listen, you may understand. Then so one day you are speak, you may cannot understand. Then so Shastra saying, then again and again, listen. Then so now coming in this way, because conditional soul, their nature to forget to Krishna. भगवान के भूल जाना यही तो सब बद्ध जी के लक्षण है. But again and again remember to Krishna, again and again listen to Krishna, then one day will be realized. So you cannot say, why I will listen these things. You cannot say this word, but you have to listen again and again. Satagori gopi te nahe kam nirvapan. Satagori gopi, millions gopis in the residence, but they cannot fulfill all the desires of Krishna. Then, for this regard, when Srimati Radhika, she left residence, then Krishna also chasing behind to Srimati Radhika. So here also again in this way, Vilas Mati Parakashta Praptina Nagyaman Dhirlolite Prayojan Naikar Pakitaman Sadhin Bhattika Naikar Prayojan. Only remember the two words. Dhirlolit, when Krishna is Dhirlolit Nayak, then Srimati Radhika, she manifests the mood of Sadhin Bhattika Naika. सायत्तत्ताद दयिता भवेत स्वाधीन भर्तिका, स्वाधीन भर्तिका नायिका निसंकोचे नायिका के बोलते पारें रचे कुचो पत्र चित्रं पुरुष कपलो दुर्घटे जगने कंची मंच सजा करभिभरम कल कलय बलय श्रेणी पानु पदे कुरु नुपरेति. Only Sadhin Bhattika Naika can, only she can give order her beloved. Also, you also decorate different kinds of art on my body. And Kalaya Balaya Sreni Panu Pade Kuru Nupurati, and also you put the Nupur ankle bells on my feet. So Srimati Radhika Sadhin Bhattiakhon Madanakho Mahabhav Adbhut Prabhav se Sadhin Bhattikar Naika. Ramananda for this regard explain this way. How this extreme position has come. And so this is called very param rahasyamoy. Rahasyamoy, this is very secret, confidential. And as like Krishna told to Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita, and Srinume, Sarva Gujjatma Bacha. And hey Arjun, now you very carefully listen my and Sarva Gujjatma Bacha. And Sarva Gujjatma Bacha. तो प्रेम विलास भट्ट जो शब्द यही नारायण संकुची बुझते पारा जाए. For this regard, Ramananda, he explained these things. So now you just want to understand, the Srimati Radhika, she is called Mahabhav Sarupa, or Krishna, he is called the Rasaraj Mahabhav. So Rasaraj and Mahabhav, when they meeting together, then that is called Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup Sujinandan Gaura Hari. So here also just I finish. Those who are Gyanmarga or Sadhak, Brahma Anusandatsu Gyanmarga, those who are going the path of Brahma or the Gyanmarga, Gyanis, they cannot understand this philosophy. But the Bhaktivinoda Thakur, one song also explained. This in this Radha Kunda, what are you thinking? Even Gyanis, they cannot enter in this philosophy. So ki karo bosiya heta bahire asiya dekho, and you give up your Jnana Marga meditation. Sakshat darshan jugala milana sakshat darshan. In Radha Kunda, you can see how Radha and Krishna both they are meeting together. Because Gyanis, according to the knowledge or Brahma Gyan, they cannot understand this philosophy. So now coming in the next also explain how this Prem Vilas Vivarta going step by step and how to going to each others. So, say something. In Chaitanya Chandrodaya Natak, there's so many evidence are giving from the Shastra. Then here you see Kanto Bhav. Ka Anto iti Kanto. Ka Anto. Here is the end. No one can explain. As like the Pacific Ocean, Prashanta Mahasagar. Then you cannot completely measurement then the end of Pacific Mahasamudra. In the same way, no one can also measurement the prem of the Divine Radha and Krishna. Then, though the subject is very deep, but you have to speak and have to listen again and again. And then by the causeless mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and one day maybe we will understand what is the meaning of this verse. Na so Raman, na ham Raman. Go Premanandi Hari Hari. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Huh? Huh? कर दिया आवर भी कर दिया कितने बार ये नहीं चल रहा मेरा नहीं चल रहा
Pranams Gurudev.
हरि बोल
Well, we have one Titi birthday, Sudevi Devi Dasi from Holland.
हाँ pardon
We have one birthday from Sudevi Devi Devi Dasi from Holland.
okay she come in Zoom
Yes.
okay
Hare Krishna,
हरि बोल
pranams.
हरि बोल
Hare Krishna, Gurudev, Dandavot pranams.